Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Comparative advantage problems are super easy if you follow these quick steps. We are going to find the right producer for each good right now. In this input-based problem, Alpha's opportunity cost for one smartphone is 5 cakes because they spend 10 hours on phones versus 2 on cakes. That is a huge cost to pay. Since 2 is less than 2.5, Beta has the lower opportunity cost for smartphones. That means Beta should specialize in phones to maximize efficiency for the whole entire group. Conversely, Alpha's opportunity cost of producing cakes is lower than Beta's. This makes Alpha the cake expert, so option D is our winner. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs and avoid rush. Trust given and check steps for the win.